Hey there, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll walk you through how to get started with Telegram, one of the most popular messaging apps in the world. First, download the Telegram app. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store, and for iOS users, head to the App Store. Simply search for Telegram and hit the install or get button. Once installed, you'll get redirected into this section. Hit on that start messaging button. In this section, you'll need to select your country. So here's the list of countries that you can choose from before you actually enter your phone number, since that is a necessary part of your number. Click on the yes button and you get redirected into your Telegram homepage. So on your Telegram homepage at the left side, you'll be able to find the list of chats that you have on Telegram. You can use the search field to actually search for chats, channels, apps, media, and other files that you can find on Telegram. This makes it easily look for files on the app if you have conversations on the app. Now, once you click on the top left of your screen, you'll get redirected into the sidebar. Under it, you'll find a wallet tab. So the wallet tab is actually a Telegram wallet that you can set up, since there have been a lot of cryptocurrency bots created on Telegram. On this wallet, you can manage your cryptocurrency easily. Now, another thing on the sidebar would be the Telegram features tab will allow you to know the latest updates on the app easily. Now you're ready to chat. Tap the pencil icon to start a new chat, and here you can message your contacts, join groups, or even explore Telegram channels for various interests. Telegram offers unique features like animated stickers, voice messages, and secret chats for enhanced privacy. Try them out to elevate your messaging experience. Finally, explore the settings to customize notifications, chat backgrounds, and privacy options. You can tailor Telegram to suit your needs. And that's it. You're all set to use Telegram and explore its awesome features. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more how-to guides. Let us know in the comments what feature you loved most about Telegram.